Hey guys, it's Bob with JohnyTechReview, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I would like to talk about this bike that I have in for review today. I have it roughly for about a little bit over a month now. It's called the Eilleo SpaceWalk. So I think just, I don't remember the exact spec I put on the screen there, but it looked like about 450-500 watt motor. And to give you a bit of perspective, these are the one that I bought before. I have over here the deep power one, which I really like. The first bike that I ever bought was the Ebikes on the other side, so that one has suspension everywhere. This one has no suspension, but really nice, bouncing seat. And then this is the big one I have, High Peak from Amazon, and this is the biggest bike, the most powerful motor. And company asked me if I want to take a look at this one. Actually, I wanted another one, but that one wasn't in stock yet, so I wanted to try a scooter one that has 3 seats. I have a young kid. She's 6 years old and she can actually sit right out, but she's a little bit tall now, so it's really designed for, I would say, kid under 5, 3, 4. There's no buckle or anything, but relatively safe right in front of you, and your feet will go right here. So let's talk a little bit. It has 4 little kick-out pedal, so if you are riding it as an adult, you will put your feet down, and then the kid can put their feet right down, and then the person that's sitting in the back can put their feet right here. Here's the motor. It's a hub motor, pretty standard. What I like about this unit here is the suspension here. As you can see, that suspension is really nice, and it will absorb a lot of the bump. So my middle child, who is 8 years old, he usually ride that little bike over there, but when he's sitting on this bike, he says it's really comfortable, doesn't feel much of a bump. Where that one, even though it has a lot of suspension, it didn't really work that well. These are really big spring here, and they absorb a lot of really good bump. Has a brake light that works when you are braking. Throttle here, and then the little screen. Let me turn it on. It looks like this. The screen doesn't tell you much other than the company logo, Leo Live, and then 4 energy bar. 2 disc brake, front and back. The built-in light and horn right here. So I'll show a picture of the box, but more or less it comes in a box just like any of these other units. And it was mostly assembled. You had to put the front wheel in, pretty standard. This is folded up, so you can fold it down. And of course you have to put in the back seat. Easy. It comes with mud flap for both the front and the back, but they were all together taped in the back. So after I finished installing, I was like, where's the front mud flap? Turned out it was taped together here, and I couldn't see it at first. This one was installed, and they taped another one on top of it. So in terms of installation, yeah, roughly about 15-20 minutes where I was taking my time. There's a place here that you can actually buy an optional basket to mount, so that's good. And if you look at the weld joint and everything, seem pretty well built. You do have to install your middle seat, I remember. Not too bad, just 4 bolts right now. And give you a bit of a perspective, I'm about 170 pounds. My older kid, or my middle kid, was about 70 pounds. He sits here, and then my daughter, who is younger, she's about 40 pounds. So that's give you a perspective of about 250 pounds loaded. Let's talk performance for a little bit. So if I were to ride this bike by myself at 170 pounds, I would say that on a flat surface, it's doing pretty good, 15 to 16 miles per hour, something like that. I think they say max out 17. I asked the company if there's a way to unlock it any faster. They say no, but that's about it. And then if I'm going incline, let's say about, 10-degree grade, it's pretty slow. I have a video to show you that. And if I add another kit, of course it gets even worse, right? So the bike is not really, I would say it's fun for the road, like neighborhood road. I wouldn't say it's safe for the street unless your city is designed like this and it's really flat surface, and you want to carry multiple people. Someone between 100 to 150 pounds, this is the perfect scooter for you because it's pretty fast and speedy. But speed wise, you just give the throttle and you get your speed, the maximum speed. Horn and lights are right here. The thing about the throttle is that it does has cruise control. So if you hold down for, I think it's more than 5 seconds, it automatically locks into that speed. And if you want to just cancel out of it, you need to tap the brake, or you need to just hit the throttle again. I didn't realize that the first time. It caught me off guard because I let go of my hand and it was still going. So, a moment of panic, but nothing else. Battery. Let's talk battery. Battery is actually built in on this unit. It's at the bottom here. It's a small battery compartment, but the battery is underneath down. Here is where you charge it. Come with a little cable. You plug in here, a little port right down. And from my perspective, range-wise on this unit, you can expect roughly about, I would say, somewhere between 10 to under 15 miles, definitely. We had it for over a month. I charged it about 3 times, and every time we take a ride, it's about 5 to 7 miles. And so we probably ride it a dozen times now. So I would say in between 2 or 3 ride sessions, I would charge it. And the battery meter, when you charge it, it will go all the way up. But as you're using it, it will start depleting the bottom one here, as you can see. So I have 3 bar left, as you can see right here. That gives you an idea. This is useless. It just tells you that's battery, but it doesn't do anything. It is a light. This is the actual meter. Yeah, other than that, what else can I say? The brakes are good. The wheel, when you install them, you have to be careful and to get it aligned perfectly so that this brake don't rub on each other. The horn in this unit is louder compared to this unit. It has a horn right built into the light. It's super loud. The scooter itself is not foldable. You can say that you can fold the handle, but it's not foldable in half, so kind of pointless. Some improvement and con, whatever. From my perspective, these pedals are really good, but one thing that do happen is that they're very easy to push in, just like that. They collapse really easy. Maybe that's by design. But my kids will complain that they will put their foot, hit a really big bump, and the pedal will close. Other than that, I think it's a good unit for smaller families, or just carrying 2 or 3 people. That's lightweight. Under 200 pounds, this unit is good on flat road. If you have a big hill, this will slow down a lot, down to like 5 miles per hour. So keep that in mind. If you have a lot of good flat surface, a little bit hilly is fine, but if you have big hill, it's down to 5 miles per hour, pretty slow. Battery wise, I think they could use a slightly bigger battery. I would say if I have another maybe 5 miles, I feel confident. Maybe it's just the way I am, but when we go biking here, we do about 3 or 4 miles down the park, and that's a pretty cool typical distance. And I feel confident going down and coming back, not having battery, but of course as the battery run low, it definitely slow down. You're not getting that fast speed. So the other thing I would say about this unit is that, of course, being a scooter is kind of fun. It's pretty zippy. I never felt inconfident where I might fall over or anything like that. But if you like pedaling, which I do, and my kid does, this little bike with a pedal is like a little bit more fun. Of course, they're for different purposes. Where I use is more for like this, maybe the city, and you can ride around. But yeah, and from that purpose, it just from a utility or functional purpose. Find out what works for you. I enjoy the pedal bike better, but for carrying multiple people, especially my kid who sometimes doesn't want to ride it, sitting up front or in the back is really nice, and they really enjoy that. Alright guys, that's my quick review of this Eilleo SpaceWalk cruiser. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please let me know if you have any question in the comment box down below. Please like the video, as it will help me to push this video out, and consider subscribing and stay tuned for future content. Thank you.